Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Traveling Prof, and in today's Russian word of the day, which is day 57 in our series, we are going to learn how to say the word for beans.
Бобы, бобы, бобы.
Now, as you learn this word, there are two things you need to be aware of. First, the O is not actually a long O, but because it is the unaccented syllable in this word, it is shortened to B. The second thing you need to be aware of is the U sound. We'll be releasing a video in the near future about how to pronounce all the letters in the Russian alphabet, and when we do, we'll be going over this sound U. Basically, this is the hard version of our English sound E. And if you want to say it correctly, all you would do is put your tongue in the position to say something like sailor, the and then change the shape of your mouth to E. So, babui. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you found this video helpful, especially the explanation of how to say ui. If you have, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Бобы, бобы.